Hello and welcome back to Gaming Basics everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve not enough space issues on Mobile Legends game. So let's get started right away. If you try to open up the Mobile Legends game and you see an error which tells you that you do not have enough space on your phone, then this means that your storage is running out. There are a few things that you can try in order to fix this issue. First of all, you can try deleting applications that you don't need. You can do this by going to your phone settings and then scrolling down to the battery and device care section. Underneath this settings page, you will be able to find the storage option. You can simply tap on it and this will show you all of the applications and files that are inside your device. You can tap on each category to free up the space by simply selecting your files and tapping on the delete option. You can also scroll down and you will find the large files section. You can tap on this and you will be shown large files that are within your phone. You can select each of these files and tap on the delete button to move them to the recycle bin, and then you can clear them from the recycle bin. After you free up some space, go ahead and open up the game once again. And this time it should be working just fine. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix the issue of not enough space on Mobile Legends. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.